Welcome. We are following this book. Just today's lecture on practice problem. Bob Sample opened the campus laundromat. This is the practice problem. Bob Sample opened the campus laundromat on September 1, 2017. During the first month of operation, the following transactions occurred. That's September 1, Bob invested 20,000 cash in the business. For these transactions, our cash will be increased and capital will be increased. So here cash debit and owner's capital increase, that means credit. Number one. And here also the owner's investment of cash in business. It will a brief explanation of these transactions. And we call this is the accounts title. The cash is accounts title and owner's capital is accounts title, and this is our explanation. Okay. Number two, the company paid 1,000 cash for store rent. For this store rent, paid cash. So cash will be decreased, that means cash credit, and store rent, that means rent expense. Expense will be increased, that means debit, rent debit. So here, please look, rent expense debit, this figure 1,000, and cash credit, this figure 1,000, and this is paid September rent. Number three, purchased washer and dryers. This is equipment, 25,000 taka. So this will be debit, equipment debit, and paying cash. That means this cash will be credit, and signing a note payable. That's the note payable increase. That means liability increase, and liability will be credit. So here this is the equipment debit, this figure, and cash credit. That means we are paying cash 10,000 and note payable. We will pay this amount later. So this will be our credit. That means note payable credit. And this is the brief explanation. Purchase laundry equipment for cash and 6 months 12% note payable. Okay, I think everybody is clear. September 4, paid 1,200 for 1 year accident insurance policy. So this is the advance payment. So prepaid insurance will be debit, and we are paying cash, so cash will be credit. So number 4, this is prepaid insurance debit and cash credit. So paid 1 year insurance policy. September 10, received a bill from a daily news of online advertising on the opening of the laundromat 200. For this, 10 advertising expense debit and accounts payable will be credit. That means receive bill from daily news for advertising. September 20, Bob withdrew 700 cash for personal use. For this personal use, just our drawing will be debit and cash will be credit. September 30, the company determined that cash received or laundry service for the month were 6,200. This is our revenue. So we know that cash debit and revenue credit. This is our cash debit, this is our revenue credit. That means receive cash for service performed. So instructions A, the journalize the September transactions. So this is the instruction A. This is the journalize of September transaction. We call this is the general journal. And another matter is the chart of accounts of the company is the same of the Pioneer Advertising Plus. And here one matter is added, that means advertising expenses 610. So this is the reference as like Pioneer Advertising. This is the reference. That means when we shifted this transaction in our ledger, this is the ledger. This is the ledger page 101. So all caches. That means this is the cash. We just use this page. That means this is the page. This is the page of cash 101. So here this is cash 101. This is cash 101. This is cash 101. This is cash 101. This is cash 101, and this is cash 101. Okay. So here cash debit 20,000. So here cash debit 20,000. Okay. This is the balance. Number one. Number second. Here cash credit 1,000. So this is September 2, cash credit 1,000. This figure will be subtracted from this figure. So we are getting this figure 19,000. Okay. Then cash 10,000 credit. Here will be 10,000 credit. This 10,000 credit. So this 10,000 will be subtracted from this 19,000. So we are getting 9,000. So next, our cash 1200, this is credit. So this is credit, 1200 must be subtracted this amount, and we are getting 7800. And then our cash, this one subtracted, okay, and this one our addition figure, that means this is debit. So this one subtracted 7000, you are getting this figure, and this must be added with this figure, and we are getting this figure 30,300. This is our closing cash. So such way we will prepare prepaid insurance, equipment, notes payable, accounts payable, owner's capital, owner's drawing, service revenue, advertising expense, and rent expense. And by using this general ledger balances, thus we will prepare the trial balance. That means earlier lectures I told, that means all asset, all expenses, and all drawing is debit balance. So here cash, prepaid insurance, and equipment, this is our asset, this is our debit side, and this is our drawing, the drawing must be debit, and this two our expenses, this must be debit, this is debit, okay. And this is credit. Credit, here all liabilities, capital and revenues will be credit. Liability credit, capital credit, and revenue credit. So this is our note payable, this is payable, this is our credit, and this is accounts payable, this is credit, and this is the owner's capital, this is credit, and this is revenue, this is our revenue, 6200, this is credit. So after addition this column, debit column, 41,400, and here 41,400, the equal balance, okay. So this is trial balance, this is examining balance, thus we examine whether the two sides is equal or not, okay. So that's all. So easily we can say this is our transactions. From the transaction we are preparing our journal, this is our journal, instruction A, and number second B, our ledger, this is our ledger. From journal we are preparing ledger. Suppose prepaid insurance 1200, so we are getting this prepaid insurance here, this is 1200. So in such way we are using all the journal head in our general ledger, okay. So from general ledger we are preparing this ledger closing balances to prepare our trial balance. So this is the trial balance item. I think everybody is clear, and that's all. And trial balance both sides will be equal. So our next lecture on brief exercise 210, and do it to 4, the recording process. I think everybody is clear. Thanks.